In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove flickering in Premiere Pro. So in case you have a footage similar to this one on my screen right now, as you can see it's playing and there's a lot of flickering which happens because of the camera, I'm going to show you how to fix it, okay? Now first off, you want to make a cut where you want to change this and get rid of the flickering, okay? So let's say this first part is what bothers me the most, okay? Let's say up until here, okay? You want to make a cut, and there we go. Now, once you've done that, you want to firstly unlink the audio and the video parts of this sequence. So you want to press Ctrl and L, which will, as you can see, make them separate items inside your sequence, inside the timeline. And then what you want to do is hold down your Alt key on your keyboard and then press and drag this video file on top of it, then release, and you can release the Alt key. And this will basically create a duplicate video on top of it, okay? Now that's the first part, and as you can see, the flickering, of course, is still here. The next thing you want to do is go up here to the second part, so to the duplicate we've just created, so to the top one, and then After Effects controls up here, and you want to go under opacity, look for opacity, you want to put it at 50. There we go, it's at 50% now. And now the next thing you want to do is simply click Y on your keyboard, okay, which will select this slip tool over here, or you can alternatively simply click over here where it says slip tool, and then just slip it by 1 or 2 frames, okay, to the left or to the right, it doesn't really matter. So as you can see, all you want to do is simply hold it down over here on this clip, and then go 1 or 2 frames, okay, just 1 or 2 frames, no more is needed, okay. Let's say I'm gonna go with 1, and now if I play the video yet again, as you can see, there's no more flickering, okay? And yeah, that's basically it. Now, I have to tell you though that this will only work if your video does not have a lot of motion, okay? If your video has quick, fast motions and a lot of movement, let's say you're recording a indoor basketball game or something, this will not work as good. But for kind of more static, zooming in effects that are very slow, it will work perfectly with those, okay? So yeah, that's how to do it, and I hope this video helped you out.